one just came in. And we got another one there coming down the runway.
Is this close to an active runway?
No, not really. This is really close to an active runway. Nothing like being right on it.
You're not on the runway.
Well, this is the taxiway. Okay, the taxiway.
We might want to think about moving this plane that may be taken off some people.
Okay.
We got 8. Yeah, there's 6 of 8. I think 1 came.
8 of them wanting to take off, I think. Wow, can you imagine that? Oops, look at that. They're all getting in line there. Everybody's getting in line. I got 8 of them who want to take off. They're all in line. Wow, cool. Okay. Wow. All right, everybody. You're all in line. Ready? They're gonna let them go now? That'd be cool. Let's go. Oh, there's another one down this end too. I might as well go down to the beginning and walk. Oops, there's one taking off. Is it taking off or coming in? Cute little red one. Red and white. Fleet of all those who want to take off. All in the waiting. Engines roaring. That cool? Oh, there's another one coming down on the runway. That one's going. Hey. That one's going. Look at that. I'll line right up. This is next. Oh, that breeze feels good.
Take the plane for them.
Oh, really? They're the ones giving it? All right, good. Give it to me. I never wanted something so bad. Isn't that cool? And here goes another one. All right. Whoa, lost my hat. Wow, that was such a breeze, it took my hat off. How do you like that? Thank you. All right. And the next one, I just got to put some hats on a little higher. Oh, I love this breeze. This is beautiful. All right. Oh, geez. Now they just move into the side. Oh, darn. Oh, my goodness. There you go. Line up 3 more here. They're going to make them park to the side. Oh, and another one way down there too. That's a little hard for this one. Oh, here comes the little red one. Okay, this is just to let you know how busy an airport can be. The little red one's just going to park. That came in a little earlier, if you saw it. He's just going off to the side. Alright, he's got to go off to the side because everybody else still got to keep going out. red one. Okay, oh my goodness. Look at all these guys, they're all ready to go. Look at that, and another one coming down. Ready to go. Wow. Okay, oh, looks like they're gonna be taking off too. The red one just come in. All right, guys, they're going across, they're gonna go up. There you go. All right, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. If you're on YouTube, be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and keep track of all this great summertime fun there is. This is a free place to come. This is the air show. Didn't cost a dime to come in. And it's only about a half-hour drive from my house, so this was really cool for me to come and do this for you. Bye-bye now. Busy place, isn't it? The others are all lined up. I was going to turn this video off, but it seems like it's takeoff time for some of them that went on the first load. Here comes another one.